So I'd like to show you one more system similar to this that I've seen a few years ago when I traveled to Papua New Guinea with Sandro and his digital tech. Now his digital tech, Shad, out of Dallas, has been around since the word digital tech was invented. And this is a case that he's been customizing for a lot of high-end pros for a number of years. So he uses an actual Pelican. It's the same size as this, it's carry-on. And the first thing you'll notice is that he mounts these really heavy-duty rubberized feet to the bottom. And then he also mounts a kind of universal Arca Swiss plate here at the bottom as well that you can mount onto a really heavy-duty tripod. From there, you'll also notice he does two extra things to the sides. So the first thing you'll notice here is that you have a weatherproof USB seal right here. So you actually tether right into this, which is then relayed through another tether cable into your computer itself that has a tether boost should you need it. And second to that, you have AC right here, so you can plug another device into this or your computer right through here. You don't have to go through the battery that comes with it inside. So there are options that way. Second from there, it's very similar to this setup. When you open it up, first thing you'll have here is a sunshade, and this is going to be an all black matte, so it really absorbs the light, and that velcros right here into the insides. You have your plate itself that locks down your MacBook, and this size is customizable depending on what computer you have, it's for PC or Mac. From there on the insides we have batteries that are strapped down. A lot of these will charge any PC or Mac. And you have the cables themselves that come in right through here and into your USB 3 on the side of your computer for tethering itself. So a very similar system. This is more of a DIY system. You can custom order these from Shad, but it's a very similar setup to what you have here. These parts are pretty much all off the shelf, so if you want to go down the road of a DIY solution, your best bet is to find parts such as this. So if you're interested in a case similar to this, you can find information about this case and the support documents that come with this tutorial itself. So there you have it. We have options for a super customizable off-the-shelf unit from DigiCase, and we also have a DIY case that you can custom order from Shad depending on your current needs. In the next section, we're going to be covering the highest end tethering stations that are available on the market.